Did you know that approximately 281.6 million notebooks are used in the United States every year? That translates to about 14.08 billion pages that are wasted annually. This figure accounts for the usage of paper notebooks by the average student in grades of K through 12, where those pages tend to go unused and then just discarded at the end of each year. I learned this eye-opening statistic while reading an article by greengoodguardians.org. Hi, my name is Andrea Lawson, and I am joined by Chase Johnson, Elaine Mejia Boteo, and Denise Ochoa. Today we will be introducing a new concept for an innovative note-taking / study tool that goes by the name of Freenote. We will be walking you through Renote and how this product could change not only the way students study, but also combat the negative impact that academia has on our environment. Throughout this presentation, we will explain exactly what Renote is and how it functions as a sustainable alternative for the average paper notebook. You'll learn what makes it stand out from the other digital note-taking tools that are already on the market. We'll also highlight the key benefits of Renote and how it's not just beneficial for students and educators across the world, but for our planet as well. In addition, we'll dive into the financial side of our product. This includes the funding requirements and how we plan to allocate resources for the production of our product, as well as our pricing strategy to ensure that Renote remains affordable and accessible for students and educators around the world. We'll also give you a look into our marketing strategy so you can have some insight on how we plan to reach our target audience of students, schools, educators, and the common environmentally conscious consumer. By the end of this presentation, we hope that you'll see how Renote isn't just a product, it's a movement towards smarter and greener learning.
Hi, my name is Chase Johnson, and I'm here to discuss our product / service to you guys. So the name of our product is called the Renote. The Renote provides us with a sustainable, eco-friendly way of being able to have a notebook, but also being able to reuse it. Because think about it, when you have a notebook, once you fill up all the pages, you have to go back and buy another notebook. And while yes, there is another way of being able to take notes without using paper, a traditional iPad costs hundreds of, even sometimes thousands of dollars. And not every student or individual has that money to be able to go out here and buy an iPad just to take notes. So the idea is that our notebook provides you a sustainable way to be able to take notes without and reducing and eliminating the waste of traditional paper and eliminating deforestation, so we don't have to cut down as many trees while being able to use such a device. So our important and uniqueness of this item is that the Renote is made from recyclable material and provides with an eco-friendly way to reuse the same page over and over again, reducing deforestation and a big amount of our carbon footprint. Because as you know, the more trees you cut down, the more we're contributing to deforestation, and we're not, we're contributing to a lot more waste in our landfills as well. So the benefits is that customers will be able to gain a more cost-effective way to take notes by reusing the same notebook over and over again without having to spend more money on notebooks and without having to purchase an iPad, which can cost anywhere between $500 to $1,000 to keep track of their notes. And this will provide you a way to be able to scan and upload your notes so that way you can have them forever in a cloud unless you choose to delete.
Hi, my name is Elaine Mejia Boteo. I will be discussing the financial details for the Renote. So the Renote is a reusable smart notebook, and we are asking for an initial funding of $150,000. To break that down, we are asking $40,000 for product development, so prototypes, testing, and refining our pen technology. We are asking for $60,000 for the manufacturing setup, so our first bulk order of notebooks, pens, and packaging. $25,000 for the app and cloud integration, so it's easy to save and sync your notes easily. $15,000 for our marketing and the launching our product. $10,000 for operations and legal costs. So business, registering the business, patents, all that great stuff. Our pricing strategy does use a mid-premium range. So each unit will take $9.50 to make, but we do plan to sell it at $29.99 to $39.99, which is a profit margin of 65 to 75%. So we do use a value-based pricing. So, the consumers do pay for sustainability, but technology. And it is competitive compared to other options available like iPads, tablets, etc. And we do plan to have student bundles, so you could buy the notebook, pens, and other accessories all in one. For our revenue projections, we do expect to sell 10,000 units the first year, which is a revenue of $350,000 and a profit of $150,000. Year 2, we do plan to expand to campuses and schools and expect to sell 25,000 units, which is a revenue of $900,000 and a profit of $450,000. Year 3, we do plan to come out with new styles, sizes, and offer bulk orders to be placed. We do plan to sell 40,000 units, which is a revenue of $1.5 million and a profit of $750,000. So not only is the Renote sustainable and innovative, but it's financially strong and scalable. So it has a clear path for growth, and our market strategy will be led by Denise. Thank you.
Hello, today I'm presenting the marketing strategy for our reusable smart notebook, a sustainable alternative to traditional paper notebooks. Our approach focuses on reaching students, creatives, and eco-friendly consumers through simple, effective methods. First, we'll use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. These platforms are perfect for showing how the notebook works in quick visual videos. Because our target audience spends so much time on social media, this gives us an easy way to showcase at the right scan erase process and spark interest. Next, we'll partner with influencers who focus on studying art, productivity, and sustainability. Their real-life demonstrations help build trust and show how the notebook fits naturally into daily routines. When people see someone they admire using the product, they're more likely to try it themselves. We'll also bring the product directly to students through an on-campus promotions, setting up booths, and offering student discounts, which allows people to test the notebook in person, which makes a big difference for a product that feels new or unsimilar. Seeing it firsthand helps convince them of its value. Online advertising is another key piece of our strategy. By targeting people who are already searching for note-taking tools or eco-friendly products, we can reach consumers who are most likely to convert into buyers. Finally, we will highlight the sustainability aspect by showing how many paper notebooks can be saved by switching to a reusable one. This message appeals to individuals who want to reduce waste and make environmental responsible choices. Overall, the combination of social media influencers, campus outreach, online ads, and sustainability messaging works together to reach the right audience and build trust and clearly communicate the notebook's benefits. This strategy ensures that our product stands out as both innovative and eco-friendly, making it appealing to modern students and creatives.
Hi, it's Chase again. So in conclusion to our sales pitch, the Renote provides us with an eco-friendly, sustainable way for its users to be able to reuse the same page again, and also providing its users with a feature where they can take their current notes that are on the page, scan it, and upload it into a digital cloud, allowing users to be able to view the content over again and have a safe way of storing it without the pages getting lost or destroyed by any of its surrounding items. Like, say if you spill water on your notes on a traditional notebook, that would be ruined. But with the Renote, because it's stored in a digital cloud, you don't have to worry about your notes getting ruined. The Renote also provides us with a more cost-affordable way for its users to be able to pay for a notebook and reuse it over and over again, because the average cost of a unit is only about $29 to $40 compared to an iPad, which you can also get and take notes on. But the problem is that it can cost anywhere between $500 and $1,000, which every student can't afford. And not even just students, anybody who needs to write stuff down in a notebook. That's a lot. So the Renote provides us with a eco-friendly way and a cost-effective way for most of its users to be able to afford and still gain the access to rewrite and use the same notebook over again and view their content digitally. Thank you for your time. This is Group Year 3 Sales Project.